Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to easily open your Toyota Highlander gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever, typically found on the floor or lower dashboard on the driver's side. Give it a firm pull upwards to unlatch the fuel door. Before proceeding, always ensure your Highlander is safely in park and the engine is completely off for your safety. Now that the fuel door is unlatched, gently push it open completely. You will see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens and you hear a slight click. Once it's free, carefully remove the cap. Many Highlanders have a convenient holder on the fuel door itself where you can place the cap while you refuel. With the cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening. Make sure you select the correct fuel type for your Highlander, usually regular unleaded. Once you have finished refueling, remove the nozzle. To secure the tank, replace the fuel cap and turn it clockwise until you hear a single click. This ensures a proper seal. Finally, gently push the fuel door closed until it securely latches into place. Give it a small tug to confirm it's fully closed. It's always a good practice to quickly check your dashboard for any warning lights, especially the check engine light, after refueling. Remember to consistently use the recommended fuel octane for your Toyota Highlander to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.